His ears are laid back, the hair's standing up, all the way in towards that decoy. He's licking his nose, he's trying to gather scent, and it's probably one of the most exciting moments, and it's why we bow hunt. I like to keep the decoy in kind of close, 15-20 yards. It gives the buck plenty of room to circle around it if he needs to cut in between the decoy and the tree, or to go on the outskirts, and you still have about a 30-yard shot.